So what you can also do is you can get formatting with the help of HTML code. Let's say, for example, I want a formatted CV. So I'm going to go around and type in this prompt. So I'm just going to go around and say, make a CV for me. My name is Pratik Pradhan. Right here, just like this. I am a graphics designer with 10 years of work experience. I run a YouTube channel called TutorTube, which has multimedia and general computing tutorials right here. So I'm going to go around and say generate this as an A4 size paper HTML code right here. So I just said generate it out as A4 size HTML code right here. Make sure to use different colors for text, different text formatting, and interesting CV design. So just like this, I said that I want an HTML code and I'm going to go around and press OK. So once I go around and do that, it'll start generating a CV for me, but will utilize HTML code for it. So over here you can see that it says certainly below is a simple HTML template for A4 size CV for you. Please note that this is a basic structure and you can see that it start creating the HTML for me. So you can see that it added in titles right here and added in some style over here just like this as well, and then created out a code. It is starting to add some colors over here as well. So you cannot directly see what it created. You need to go around and wait now for the code generation to finish. And once the code generation finishes, we'll take it on to another application. And for that, before we do that, let's just skip to the part on where this code generation completes. So over here you can see that this is what I have right here. So you can see that it says this code created a CV right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy out this code right here, and then I'm going to go around, take it on to an application like Notepad right here, just like this, and then I'm simply going to go around and save it out. So I'm going to go around and save it out on my desktop right here as let's say CV cv.html right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, I can go around, pull this out, and on my desktop you can see my CV right here. So let's just go around and open it out, and here you can see the CV right here, just like this. So it got the text formatting right here, as you can see right here, and the colors and so forth. So let me just go around and copy this out, and now you can take it out onto applications like Word, and you got the text formatting as well, as you can see right here. And this is how you can actually go around and utilize like HTML for text formatting as well, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is what you have. You can see that this is title and so forth, that everything is arranged out. So that is how you can utilize text formatting with HTML code inside of Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.